Hey guys, just wanted to quickly show you this APEC water filter system we have in the house. This is the ROES-50. And obviously it comes with instructions to when you get it to install. But basically the system is the tank here. Actually, I think it's 5 different filters up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you tie it into the water line for whatever the drinking water connection is. Ours is actually tied into the one on the sink and the one in the fridge. So the fridge is actually double filtered, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. Your setup may or may not be like that. So basically, get it all hooked up, get the filters all installed, again, per the instructions, and then it backfills this reservoir with RO or reverse osmosis filtered water. And then so when you're ready to fill up a bunch of glasses or whatever of water, it's ready to go. So this is what it ends up looking like under the sink. As you can see, it does take quite a bit of space under the sink, but totally worth it. Where we live, the water is not great. So we had to have a filter solution. We've had this since we moved in, which is 2.5 years. I did replace the filters once. Actually, the system predated us at the house, so I replaced the filters shortly after we moved in just because I didn't know how old they were. So anyway, that's what it looks like under the sink. And then this is obviously the spout that comes with it, just to show you kind of the flow you can expect. Very good flow. Fills up multiple big water bottles for the kids, for example. No problem. And it tastes great. So the filter works really well, especially for areas that don't have the best water. And I hope that helps if you're thinking about putting one in. Install is pretty easy. You just got to make sure you have enough space under the sink. So anyway, hope that helps. Thanks.